Welcome. In front of me is a Xiaomi POCO X4 Pro, and today I will show you how you can boot this device into recovery mode. Now to get started, you will want to hold your power key and select power off. And when your phone turns off, hold power key and volume up at the same time. When you see the POCO logo, you can let go of the keys and wait for the recovery mode to show up, as it just did for me. And in this mode, you will need to navigate using volume keys. As you can see, touchscreen doesn't actually work in here, so you use volume up and down to navigate and power key to confirm whatever is selected. With that in mind, options here are reboot, which takes us back to Android, wipe data, so just a factory reset of the device, connect with Mi Assistant so you can connect to your computer, and boot it into safe mode if you need to troubleshoot your device. So I'm gonna stick with reboot to leave this mode. Let's confirm that. Reboot to system, and now it's gonna take me back to Android. And as you can see, we are now back in Android. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.